some motherfucking love. Hey, you got your arrow right now. I want you to take your arrow, wind it back, and shoot it at the freaking like button. You see how we do? We coming with the straight power, the right energy, the right vibration. You dig what I'm saying? And also too, and I'm so glad y'all brothers and sisters sit here and pointed out. You know, we need each other, man. We need each other. We sitting here talking about one gender is a guy, one is the guy. Anyways, well, God, I don't know. Well, God, I don't know why the heck God is spelled dog backwards. Anyways, and why the people that love dogs so much, they kind of resemble them and they smell like them, and they smell like them when they get wet. But anyways, all right, that's another subject. Hey,
shout out to Rainstorm.
Right. Shout out to Rainstorm, you dig? Shout out to everybody in the chat too, like for real. And I wanted to say, like, this channel, like, this is a powerful build. Can't wait to do it again. And I'm gonna say this is y'all can check out our YouTube channel, Healing Through Inspiration. Got to upload. We literally about to drop right after this, and it's actually about to be a face painting video. It's the last of our fourth part of our face painting. Yeah, American face painting video. We show you a tutorial because a lot of people like this, they like to talk about, yeah, we got to do what the ancestors do, but they ain't doing it. And if they doing it, they ain't showing you. We showing you straight up. So we got 4 videos straight back to back. That's showing you how to do American face paint. Real talk, and we got it. So we got.
Well, I'm gonna be watching that. I gotta see how, because I gotta do my.
And face what's this on? What is this gonna be on?
This is on our YouTube channel, Healing Through Inspiration. I'm in the chat.
Awesome. Follow right now.
The brother said why he consumes milk. You know, it really messes up his stomach is because one, you got to, and with that being said, you got to think, why doesn't any other animal get its milk from another animal? But yet we want to go get our milk from another animal and then call it protein.
That's right.
That don't make a bit of sense. And you know what too? And anytime I ask somebody what is protein, they say, oh, well, it's for this, it was for that. Well, no, that's not what it. I ask what it is. What is protein? They can't ever tell you. All these man-made names that don't mean anything and don't have any real reasoning. I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm a health coach and I care about our people's health. And this is why we created a website, Healing Through Inspiration, and it's free content. Yes, I said free content. Whatever it is you need on there, we got content as far as pertaining to our culture. You got people who you want to reverse your cancer, you want to reverse your diabetes, you want to reverse heart disease, you want to learn how to quit smoking, you want to learn how to reverse quitting drinking alcoholism, because the fire water, that is a big issue. What is it? You want to learn why you should become an entrepreneur, start a business, you want to see some artwork, some cultural artwork, we have it on there, and I said it's free. And we also do have a bit awesome stuff like our artwork and our apparel on the shop page as well. And also, like I said, I'm a health coach. I do offer consultations, so you can book a consultation with me, and you can just email me at info@healingthroughinspiration.com, or you can just DM us on Instagram at Healing Through Inspiration, same as our YouTube channel. I know I've been talking for a bit, but I had to get it off because I guess I was the last to join. But I'm gonna pass it up.